Welcome to our comprehensive review of the Vivo X100 Ultra, a flagship device that promises to redefine mobile photography. Vivo's latest offering comes packed with features aimed at photography enthusiasts and professionals alike. Released amidst the anticipation of the Snapdragon Agent 4, the X100 Ultra faces stiff competition but aims to stand out with its exceptional camera capabilities. Let's dive into what makes this phone a contender in the world of smartphone photography. Unveiling the Vivo X100 Ultra. The Vivo X100 Ultra is Vivo's most powerful device to date, coming at a time when other flagship phones are already making their mark. The impending release of the Snapdragon Agent May 4th cast a shadow over the X100 Ultra, which is equipped with the Agent 3 processor. Despite this, Vivo has strategically priced the phone with a special pre-sale offer, making it an attractive option for early adopters. Section 2. Camera Innovations. Telephoto Camera. The standout feature of the Vivo X100 Ultra is its telephoto camera. Unlike its predecessor and competitors like Xiaomi and Oppo, the X100 Ultra uses a 3-lens system with different focal lengths. The main highlight is the 85mm telephoto lens, which replaces the 100mm lens from the previous model. This change reduces the need for digital cropping and enhances image quality, particularly in the zoom range of 23mm to 100mm. The 200MP HP9 Plus ink sensor coupled with Vivo's AI algorithm delivers stunning results. The camera supports up to 600mm or 26x zoom, which is remarkable considering its 3.7x optical zoom capability. The larger sensor area ensures high image quality even in low light conditions, making it one of the best telephoto cameras on a smartphone. Macro photography. The macro functionality of the telephoto camera is equally impressive. The high pixel count and large sensor bring unprecedented image quality, allowing users to capture minute details with incredible clarity. This capability transforms the X100 Ultra into a versatile tool for both macro and telephoto photography, ideal for capturing everything from insects to distant landscapes. Main camera. While the telephoto camera steals the spotlight, the main camera of the X100 Ultra also deserves attention. It offers improvements in video recording with a gimbal-like anti-shake structure, ensuring stable footage even in challenging conditions. The main camera performs exceptionally well at night, thanks to enhanced stabilization and image processing. Section 3. Color Modes and Photography Features. Color Modes. The X100 Ultra provides 3 primary color modes: Vivid, Textured, and Z Natural, each designed for specific photography scenarios. Vivid mode enhances brightness and saturation, making it perfect for everyday photography. Textured mode, with low exposure and high contrast, is ideal for artistic shots, especially in low light. Z Natural offers a balanced look with low contrast and cooler white balance, suitable for a wide range of subjects. In addition to these modes, the phone features a hidden 4th mode black and white, which is perfect for classic, timeless photography. Each mode can be customized to suit the photographer's needs, making the X100 Ultra a highly adaptable tool. Humanistic Street Photography Mode. Vivo introduces the Humanistic Street Photography Mode, a professional mode that simplifies adjustments and presets for street photography. This mode allows users to fine-tune various parameters and includes a new black and white style for dramatic street shots. Section 4. Design and Display. Design. The X100 Ultra retains the design language of its predecessors but with a larger camera module. It comes in 3 colorways, with the titanium color featuring a metallic glass back being a standout. The design is elegant yet functional, catering to both aesthetics and ergonomics. Display. The display on the X100 Ultra sees minor upgrades. It uses Samsung's E7 material for improved resolution but falls short in peak brightness and viewing angles compared to competitors. The screen retains the traditional design, lacking the modern appeal of straight or 4-equal-width bezel screens found on many current smartphones. Section 5. Performance and battery. Performance. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, the X100 Ultra delivers the expected performance of a photography flagship. While it may not be the most powerful in terms of raw performance, it excels in handling photography and video tasks efficiently. Battery. The semi-solid-state battery in the X100 Ultra offers better capacity and cold resistance. Despite a slight reduction in charging power, both wired and wireless, the battery life remains robust, and the phone supports high-power PPS charging for excellent compatibility. Section 6. Video capabilities. Video recording. The video recording capabilities of the X100 Ultra are enhanced by the gimbal-like anti-shake structure, making it superior to other Android phones for nighttime recording. All cameras support recording in HDR mode, providing versatile options for videographers. Ultra-wide camera. The ultra-wide camera, though less competent than the main and telephoto cameras, still offers decent performance. It lacks 4K 120 fps video recording and has a unique issue with 4K 60 fps preview, which appears shaky during recording but stabilizes in playback. Despite this, the sample photos demonstrate its potential for wide-angle photography. Section 7. Selfie camera and AI features. Selfie camera. The selfie camera on the X100 Ultra has received significant enhancements, including autofocus and 4K 60 fps support, making it an excellent choice for vloggers and content creators. AI visual features. Vivo's AI features include a portrait mode that simulates different seasons, adding creative flair to selfies. While not perfect, these features are fun and add versatility to the camera's capabilities. Section 8. Usability and user experience. Camera experience. Vivo has focused on improving the overall camera experience. The interface now includes several commonly used focal lengths in a single button, making it easier to switch between them. The humanistic street photography mode is a testament to Vivo's commitment to providing professional-grade tools in a user-friendly package. Display and design issues. While the display upgrades are not groundbreaking, they are sufficient for most users. However, the design feels somewhat dated compared to other modern smartphones. Vivo could have done more to refresh the aesthetic appeal of the X100 Ultra. Section 9. Conclusion. The Vivo X100 Ultra is a photography powerhouse, offering exceptional telephoto and macro capabilities. Its three primary color modes and specialized street photography mode make it a versatile tool for photographers. While it faces competition from upcoming devices with newer processors, its camera system sets it apart. Despite minor shortcomings in design and display, the X100 Ultra delivers on its promise to capture every moment, from micro to macro, with unparalleled clarity and detail. For those who prioritize photography and are less concerned about having the latest processor, the Vivo X100 Ultra is an excellent choice. Section 10. Final thoughts. If you're considering upgrading your smartphone for its camera capabilities, the Vivo X100 Ultra should be on your radar. Its innovative telephoto and macro functions, combined with user-friendly features, make it a standout in the world of mobile photography. Don't miss out on the special pre-sale offer and capture your world with the Vivo X100 Ultra. Thank you for watching this comprehensive review of the Vivo X100 Ultra. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews and tech content. See you in the next video.